Hey guys, I've been here from the Fibreglass factory. We're just making a mould at the moment for a 75 series windscreen. Our pattern guy has nicely put this flange around the edge. That's so we can get it to line up perfectly when we make the panel after we've made the mould. At the moment, I've waxed this all up and got all the release agent on there so we can get some gel coat down. Once this goes off, I'll laminate it, then we're going to flip it over and make the other side. Alright, so we're just putting some tissue down here, which is very fine and curves to the shape, the intricacies of the mould that we're making. If we don't put this down first, then there'll end up being air that we just can't get out because the fiberglass doesn't curve to everything. So I'm just going to put 2 layers of tissue down, and then we'll go to a 225 layer after that. And this is called the tire layer. Alright, so we're just sanding this now, just to make sure there's nothing sticking up. See how we've got things sticking up here? Those things will create problems for us when we laminate, so that's why I'm sanding it now. Alright, so the next thing is I'm going to mix up some Chrysoma resin, and then we're going to do a layer of 225 and 2 layers of 450. Alright, so we've finished laminating this side and we're basically about to peel off all the flanges from the other side and then make the other side.